Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to install and set up Notion. The first thing that you need to do is to open google.com and search on the search bar Notion. Scroll down a bit and kindly click the notion.so. To download it, kindly click the download on the top page. And since I'm using Windows, I will choose Mac and Windows. And to download the Notion, kindly click the download for Windows. And after that, the Notion are now starting downloading. So just kindly wait for it to fully downloaded. After that, kindly open it. And start the installing process before setting up your account in Notion. So kindly wait for it as it may take a while. And after you fully install the Notion app, this is how the app look like. All you need to do is to log in and create your account in Notion. So that's it. If you wanted to know how to install and set up Notion, that is the easiest way I know. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much, and see you on our next video.